In episode 3, we discussed about the four Purusharthas, purposes of life: Kama, Artha, Dharma, and Moksha. Kama and Artha are at the base level, level 1. Dharma is at a higher level, level 2. Moksha is at the highest level, level 3. Moksha is the ultimate goal of human life. According to Shastras, this is the real purpose of human life. So, what does moksha mean? Moksha is discovering our true self, which liberates us from samsara, the cycle of birth and death. Unfortunately, our own ignorance and misconceptions prevent us from attaining this valuable treasure. Let us understand this with a short story. A baby lion was all alone when his mother was taken by a hunter. A group of goats took pity on him and raised him. Since he was with goats, the lion cub believed he was a goat. One day, the goats heard the roar of a huge lion and started running. The cub also began to run. The surprised lion caught the cub and asked him, "Why are you running?" The terrified cub replied, "Because I am a goat and scared of you." The lion took the young cub to a nearby pond and showed him his reflection. The cub then realized his true self as a lion. So, if the cub had not realized his true self, he would have spent his entire life under the wrong notion that he is a goat. This is what happens to us. We get so influenced by the happenings around us, we forget our real self. In the Ramayana, even the powerful Hanuman forgot his powers due to a curse by a sage till Jambavan, the wise bear, reminded him of his extraordinary powers. We are fortunate to have the Bhagavad Gita, which serves as a moksha shastra that helps us discover our true self. As per Vedanta, moksha is attained through jnana, that is, self knowledge. Bhagavad Gita shows us this path by taking us through Karma Yoga, Upasana Yoga, and Jnana Yoga, with bhakti pervading through all these three yogas. Let us now understand these terms. Karma Yoga is the path of action which helps in Chitta Shuddhi, that is, cleansing the mind of impurities. Upasana Yoga is the path of meditation which helps in Chitta Ekagra, that is, steadying and calming the mind to focus better. Jnana Yoga is the path of self-knowledge which reveals that we are not the perishable body but the eternal Atma. It removes the ignorance and misconceptions associated with our true self. Bhakti is devotion which is required across all the three yogas. Let us take a simple example to understand this. Chitta Shuddhi through karma is like cleaning a board to write on it. Chitta Ekagra through Upasana is like fixing the board on a wall or mounting on a stand so that the board is steady. Removal of ignorance through jnana can be linked to writing on a clean and steady board. As per Vedanta, Karma Yoga and Upasana Yoga are the preparatory stages, whereas Jnana Yoga is the final stage for moksha. Let us now understand why is moksha so important. In normal human life, happiness is temporary and dependent on possessions and people. Moksha, on the other hand, is Nityananda, that is, permanent happiness, not dependent on possessions or people. The precious human birth is a wonderful opportunity to free ourselves from samsara, the cycle of birth and death. It would be unfortunate if we throw away this chance to free ourselves. So, ask yourself this question: am I focusing on level 1 base purushartha of kama and artha, or level 2 higher purushartha of dharma, or level 3 ultimate purushartha of moksha?